What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Bitgert. We're going to be talking about where we could be going next with our price and kind of what's going on inside the Bitgert community. So definitely stick around to the end of the video. Hit that like button and subscribe if you like these videos. And also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's get straight to it. So the first thing I want to talk about here with Bitgert is our current price action. So the current price action that we actually have going on with Bitgert is actually leading us to the downside. So what we're seeing here is Bitgert is pretty much going down to the support line. So I always say this: the green areas on these indicators pretty much indications that this is our supply and demand of more demand. So it's always more demand in green. And then whenever it's red, it's less demand. So essentially it's the supports. I look at that as the green areas and then the red ones as the resistance ones. So what we're seeing now is Bitcoin is actually slowly going down to these green areas. So the first one here is at the 3256 area, and that's actually where we're heading towards now. So when we hit that, we'll probably end up trying to break past this area again because this is now turning red up here. So this is pretty much going to be our resistance. We're going to have a hard time trying to get past the 3.5 area. Right now we're at 3.415, but we're more than likely going to go down to 3.263 area, and then from there we're probably going to try to break that 3.5 again, and then we're going to do another pullback. And I think this other pullback is pretty much what's going to bring us down to this next green area, and this is going to be our next support if we continue on this path that we're going on now. So where this would bring us would be the 3062 area. So that'll almost be down to the 29 area from there. Now, the importance of this is because this is the bearish scenario, but what if we become bullish inside of Bitgert? So if you see a bullish trajectory for a rise, then pretty much what you're going to see is us going all the way up to this little tiny resistance here. Now, this was all the way up here around 4120, and you can see we actually pulled back the second we hit that, and that was a huge, huge point for us. And it's a huge resistance point as well. Like, you can see how significant this point was. We hit that point and we immediately went down on that huge downtrend. You can see that huge red candlestick indicating that there was a large sale there. So we'll probably see the same thing again if we were to try to bounce back and break that area again. Because in order to become bullish, we have to get past that area so then we can pass these two resistance here all the way from about 42.90 all the way up here, all the way to this area, which is about 46.89. If you look at the upper areas from it, then we definitely really need to get past that because that'll help us out a lot around the 5.0 area all the way up there. So that's really what we need to get higher than. And what we're at right now is definitely looking like it's more going to be on the bearish side. I'm going to be honest here. I definitely think we're going to do this pullback scenario where we come back to the bottom of the support around 3.0. So definitely wait for that. It's probably going to come soon. I don't know when, but it just looks like the overall market is kind of doing a bull trap right now. So you definitely want to pay attention to that. We got Bitgert down 7.8%, now 6.6%, but still it's still down a pretty significant amount. And actually, if we go over here and look at the 4-hour chart for Bitgert, you see a different scenario here. So what we're looking at here is over here where it says the 24-hour market controls and controlled by the bulls by 60%. So it's pretty much saying 60% bullish. And over here, you can see on the oscillator, there is some selling coming in, but you see how that wave is now starting to come inside a little bit more and it's starting to fade away. So you're about to see some buying coming back in for Bitgert. So like I said, it could do a pullback back to the previous area I was talking about, and then it could do a breakout from there. So that would look similar to this, doing that pullback all the way back down to here to about 3.0, and then having a breakout, trying to get past that area above the 4.2. And yeah, that's pretty much where we're looking at with Bitgert here. So there's a lot of different barriers that we have to try to break here, but for right now, we're just going to be following the overall market because everything's going down again. So it definitely looks like that could have been a bull trap. But anyways, Bitgert above a lot of other cryptos is still garnering a lot of attention on social media and on different platforms. So that's a good sign that Bitgert is still holding a strong following. So this is pretty good because the more people that are really strong with Bitgert, the more that we're going to get those solid holders instead of people that are just selling out. So I think it's definitely looking like there's some solid holders here. But over here, it says, don't be left out of the next Ethereum. So yeah, they're calling it the next Ethereum. They're calling it the next Polygon, and pretty much anything with a big blockchain. And over here at the next Solana. So I think there's still room for Bitgert to survive this crash, and it'll definitely survive in my personal opinion. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, definitely hit the like button and subscribe if you like the video, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. And I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And not to mention, this video is sponsored by your one and only me. So if you want to go ahead and check out my beat store inside of the description, go ahead and do that, and you can license some music. So this is all I got for you all today. As always, I'll be back with another video.